Hi, welcome back to your guided notes. Actually, the final chapter for your guided notes in the Hospitality Negotiations and Sales class, HTE 4730. We are now doing guided notes for Chapter 20, the Post-Negotiation Evaluation. I think this is my favorite chapter, and the reason why I say that is because A, the negotiation is done, and if you really feel good about the negotiation, that's the best form of evaluation. So let's go ahead and look at those assessment tools from page 262, found in the little box 20-1, and indicia. There is the indicators, if you will, of successful win-win negotiations. Remember, the person who wrote this book is a legal beagle, and that's actually the Latin term for indicators. Both sides will feel successful. Hallelujah. I think both sides should always feel good that they came to the table and they were able to iron out something. Both sides are able to and intend to honor the agreement. I can't stress this enough. At the end of the day, you got to be able to look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am honoring what I said I was going to do. That's a very important aspect of someone's character. And in the cases that there is a failure to conclude in the agreement, both sides feel that there was a failure was the result of the issue, not because it was unreasonable or the tactics used by either side. And let me tell you, in the movie that you guys are watching, to really understand tactics, there are some of those tactics, my opinion, just a Vannucci opinion, but I feel some of them are unreasonable. And I think that Hollywood, which is why I chose this movie, Hollywood does such a great job of showing those tactics. And quite frankly, I don't necessarily abide by some of those tactics. Wouldn't use some of them. All right, so we're still looking at these assessment tools. The idea behind the indicators being successful is that it's win-win in your negotiation. Yeah, everybody walks away saying, okay, I got something, this is a company I want to continue to do business with. Neither side has any personal animosity towards the other side. And I've got to tell you, I don't like that, having ill feelings about a person that I'm going to be doing business with, because essentially what that means is I don't trust them. And when you don't trust people, you don't want to do business with them. I'm not saying that you'll become the best of friends, but there is something to be said for honor and character. Neither side fears any repercussions from the negotiation. I always wish that this is a Vannucci opinion, I always wish that our Congress would just, do what they need to do the business of running the government and not feel like people are doing it to really get on their bad side. Sometimes you just have to meet halfway in order for things to happen. That's a Vannucci opinion with politics, but that's why we don't want any negative repercussions from the other side. Each side is amenable to continuing to deal with each other, another important ingredient. Check your personal excellence. So this PEP, which was found on 264, is really that discussion of maintaining your personal excellence when you negotiate. That character, that honor, that's what, at the end of the day, people like doing business with people they can trust, even if they don't get everything they want. If you walk away from this negotiations process and you feel that it was fair and it represented the best ideals of that company with that product, then you'll do business with those people again, and that's PEP. Well, a very short chapter, but let me just say, at the end of the day, this is what you're striving for. This is when negotiations is not a horror, but actually just the part of doing business, and you become very comfortable with it. Thank you for completing your book in conflict management. See you guys in the next guided notes with Hospitality Sales Department. Thank you. Bye.